And now I'd like to recognize our firm competition award winners. Pro bono work is certainly critical to addressing the justice gap, and so is the need for financial support to legal aid organizations who handle the bulk of cases for low-income people. The financial contributions made by firms through the Champions of Justice firm competition they've shown incredible generosity through those contributions. These funds mean that legal aid organizations can continue to fight unfair evictions, defend consumers against scams, protect victims of human trafficking, and so much more. On behalf of the commission, we appreciate each firm's dedication and commitment. As we read the names of the award recipients, each firm's representative will have a moment to share short remarks if he or she so desires. And we appreciate each of you who've taken the time to attend and accept this award. And we'll recognize the distinguished firms by size category. And we're going to begin with, let's see, we're going to begin with the boutique size category of 10 to 19 attorneys. And in that category, the award goes to Bela Wood, which was the winner for the highest amount raised and the highest percentage attorney participation. And I believe here to accept the award on behalf of the firm is Kevin Bela. Mr. Bela?
Thank you, Brett. I appreciate it. Very honored and pleased to be here with everyone today. It's been really fun listening in on this. I'm excited to hear the rest of them. I just want to send a quick note. I'm sure most of you already understand this. This part of the job really rounds out what we do and why we do it. It's a very easy, the work can sometimes be hard, but the gratification is almost instantaneous, helping out with these sorts of things. And it's really an obligation and responsibility of us, who are blessed to have made it through and to practice law and to help those around us. So the recognition is phenomenal. We really appreciate everything you guys do to recognize us, but we'll continue to do it because, like I said, it helps to round out why we practice.
Well, it's our honor to recognize you. Thank you for those inspiring words and congratulations. Next, in the small firm size category of 20 to 40 attorneys, awards go to Yetter Coleman, who is the winner for the highest amount raised. And I believe here to accept the award on Yetter Coleman's behalf is Amy Farish. Ms. Farish?
Thank you, Justice Busby. As Yetter Coleman's pro bono coordinator, I'm thrilled to accept this award on behalf of the firm. It's our great honor and privilege to support access to justice and its critical mission to ensure access to the state's legal system for all Texas citizens.
Well, thank you so much for your dedication and all the work that you do to help your firm support this worthy cause. And we certainly appreciate you and acknowledge you today. Thank you very much. And then next in the small firm size category is Lynch, Chappell, and Alsop, and also Davidson, Troilo, Ream, and Garza, which tied as first place winners for the highest percentage attorney participation. I believe a representative from Lynch, Chappell was not able to join us this afternoon, but we thank them heartily for their contribution to access to justice in Texas. And I don't know whether a representative from Davidson Troilo was able to join us today. Is anybody on the call from that firm?
I am, Justice Busby, and my name is Justin Nail.
Thank you, Mr. Nail, please.
Yeah, sure. DTRG appreciates this recognition. I'm honored to accept the award on behalf of Davidson, Troilo, Ream, and Garza. The firm is committed to assisting low-income Texans with access to justice, a need that, as we all know, is even greater now during the COVID-19 pandemic. As we hopefully soon progress away from that, those needs are going to continue on. And I'm happy to be part of a firm that and a legal community that appreciates assisting those low-income Texans with that access to justice. So thank you.
Well, thank you, Mr. Nail, and please convey our thanks to your colleagues as well. Thank you for being with us this afternoon. And in the medium size firm category next, 45 to 89 attorneys, the award goes to Beck Redden Llp, which was the winner for the highest amount raised and also the winner for highest percentage attorney participation. And here to accept the award on behalf of Beck Redden is Jackie Furlow. Jackie?
Thank you, Justice Busby. I am very honored to accept this award on behalf of Beck Redden. And I know I speak for all of my colleagues when I say how close this cause is to all of our hearts and how privileged we feel to support the work of the Texas Access to Justice Commission and this community. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Jackie, and please convey our hearty thanks to your colleagues for supporting this critical work. And then in the large size firm category of 90 and more attorneys, awards go to two firms. First to Vincent Elkins LLP, winner of the highest amount raised. And here to accept the award on behalf of Vincent and Elkins LLP is Jim Thompson. Jim.
Thank you, Justice Busby. Very proud to receive this award. I actually stole it from Harry's office this morning so I could show it to everyone, but I took it on the promise that I would return it immediately after this ceremony. You know, long before I came to the firm 36 years ago, Vincent Elkins was committed to giving back to the communities and jurisdictions in which it worked with our pro bono efforts, and supporting access to justice is just a natural extension of our firm's commitment to pro bono work. And I will tell you, I think it's important you know, our commitment to supporting access to justice starts at the very top of B&E's leadership. Each and every year, our managing partner, now it's Scott Wolf, sends a memo to every partner, strongly encouraging that we all participate in contributing to access to justice, even to the point of Scott advising us that the monies will be withdrawn from each partner's account and donated to access to justice unless the partner voluntarily opts out of the program. And I will say, Scott gives no instructions on how to opt out of the program. We send an equally, although perhaps less draconian, memo to our associates and counsel, encouraging them also to contribute to the program. And then finally, I would be remiss if I didn't say we're also proud to commit the time and talent of our partners here, Harry Reisner as commission chair, and my good friend and partner, Tom Leatherberry, who joined the commission this year. So thank you again for this award. It's very important to us and a very important cause. Thank you.
Well, thank you, Jim, and thank you to the firm for its extraordinary record of dedication and for being recognized again this year. And please convey our thanks to your partners and colleagues. Thank you so much.
I'll do it. Thank you.
Congratulations. And then last, but certainly not least, in the large size firm category of 90 and more attorneys, an award, we also are giving an award today to Sussman Godfrey LLP, which was the winner for the highest percentage attorney participation. And here to accept the award on behalf of Sussman Godfrey is Neil Manny. Neil, please.
Thank you very much, Justice Busby. I guess times have changed. I never thought our firm would be in the large firm category in anything. But if we're now creeping up in size on Vincent Elkins, well, Lee Godfrey and Steve Sussman must have done something right. We're very grateful for the recognition, but really we're just delighted that so many of our lawyers are choosing to participate in access to justice issues and pro bono matters. I spent all morning in a moot court for one of our lawyers who's going to be arguing a Supreme Court case on a pro bono basis in the next few weeks. And you know, that stuff is just part and parcel of what lawyers should be doing. So I'm delighted that you're spending some time today recognizing all these great firms and lawyers who've been active in this realm. Thanks so much.
Well, thank you, Neil, and please convey our thanks to your colleagues for their very generous record of support over the years and especially this year. Thank you so much. Congratulations.